Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is the largest of all known terrestrial carnivores. Spinosaurus was probably bigger than T-Rex. This genus was known first from Egyptian remains discovered in 1912 and described by German paleontologist Ernst Stromer in 1915. The original remains were destroyed in World War II. But additional material has come to light in the early 21st century. The thorns of the sail were extended almost 2 meters. Estimates published in 2005, 2007, and 2008 suggested that it was between 12.6 to 18 meters. The latest estimates suggest a weight of 6.4 to 7.5 metric tons. This spectacular dinosaur had a head similar to that of a crocodile with a compact body and spines on the back as high as a man. It would have had large, robust forelimbs bearing 3-fingered hands, with an enlarged claw on the first digit. There are still many doubts about the lifestyle of the Spinosaurus. In addition, its sails are the subject of heated scientific debate. Spinosaurus is known to have eaten fish, and most scientists believe that it hunted both terrestrial and aquatic prey. Evidence suggests that it was highly semi-aquatic, and lived both on land and in water much like modern crocodilians do. A gigantic crocodile. If so, they would have been visible swimming, like sharks, sticking out of the water. Huge dorsal fins enable them to give more thrust to their movements. As they acted mainly in the water, like scientists think, Spinosaur's life is shrouded in mystery. Their clawed forelegs look like lethal weapons. What they were for? Powerful jaws. Agile. A giant flesh-eating dinosaur. Was Spinosaurus bigger than a T-Rex? Spinosaurus appeared in the 2001 film Jurassic Park 3, replacing Tyrannosaurus as the main antagonist. The film's consulting paleontologist John R. Horner was quoted as saying,
"If we base the ferocious factor on the length of the animal, there was nothing that ever lived on this planet that could match this creature. Also, my hypothesis is that T-Rex was actually a scavenger rather than a killer. Spinosaurus was really the predatory animal.